In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange windows as tiled in Excel. If you've ever needed to compare two sheets side by side, copy data between files, or keep an eye on a dashboard while you work in another workbook, the tiled view in Excel makes that easy. Tiling automatically lays out your open Excel windows so you can see them all at once without overlapping, which is great for focus and accuracy. Start by heading to the View tab on the ribbon. You'll find it along the top of Excel, and it controls how your workbook is displayed. If your window is small, some commands might be collapsed, so maximize Excel if you don't immediately see what we're using. Also, remember that tiling arranges windows, not individual worksheets. If you only have one workbook open, you'll just see that single window. The more Excel windows you have open, the more useful tiling becomes. Next, look for Arrange All in the Window group on the View tab. Click Arrange All to open a small dialog that gives you layout choices. This is where Excel lets you pick how multiple windows should be shown on your screen. You'll typically see options like tiled, horizontal, vertical, and cascade. Horizontal stacks them across the screen, vertical puts them side by side, and cascade offsets them like a deck of cards. For a balanced grid that fills your screen efficiently, tiled is the one we want. Choose Tiled. Excel will arrange your open workbook windows into an even grid, making it simple to compare data and move between files. If you notice a checkbox labeled Windows of Active Workbook, here's what it means. When it's checked, Excel only tiles multiple windows that belong to the workbook you're currently using. When it's unchecked, Excel tiles all open Excel windows across every workbook. Use that checkbox based on whether you're comparing sheets within a single file or across different files. A couple of quick tips to work smarter in this view. Once your windows are tiled, you can still adjust zoom levels independently in each window to make content easier to read. You can also freeze panes or turn on headings and grid lines from the View tab in each window to keep your comparisons aligned. And if you ever want to return to a single, full-screen view, just maximize any one of the windows or close the extras you don't need. That's it. Simple, fast, and incredibly helpful for comparison and multitasking. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more efficient Excel workspace.